What's up, guys? Frankstein Fabrications back with you again. Bill, I'm going to send you a video or send you a link to this so you can kind of see what's going on. We're putting patch panels in this square body, and these, I don't know if I'm going to get docked for this or not, but them not made in the USA patch panels are junk. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here is a patch panel that I'm putting in. Hold on. So I got it lined up here. I got it lined up here. Got it all the way to here. And if you notice, I cut it off a little bit short right there. See that? Reason being is because if you line these up, this is the patch. This is the back part of it. If you line these edges, or I could just drop it. If you line these edges up, see? You line these edges up just about like that. See how far out that is? There's no way that you're going to beat that. I mean, you could beat it in, but what's going to happen is you're going to have something like that right there. You're going to have it's going to come down like this, and then it's going to pooch out like that and kind of go at an angle. So what I had to do was I had to cut this piece off. Then if you line this piece up with the edge there, just about like, well, if I can get it in there now, like that right there. Now see how much better that fits? See how far over the panel itself is right there? Can you guys see that? See it? That's how much I've got to cut out of that panel. How much I've got to cut out of that panel, or excuse me, this panel here, out of that part right there. I've got to cut that much out of it and then weld all that back in there. That's what I'm saying, guys. These not made in the USA patch panels are junk. I had a lot of problems with that one up there too. I had to pie cut it as well. Right here, I had to take this edge right here. I had to cut it in here. Well, right there is my mark. So I had to cut it down through there like that, come out here, cut it down through here like this, and then take and close those together so that I could weld that in right there. But yeah, that one's done. This one's done, except for that right there. It's ain't no big deal. But anyway, guys, I am going to get off here, and I am going to weld this up right here, and maybe I'll post some after once I get it done. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll be back with you soon.